Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do a couple more unboxings for the second drop from the 2020 Record Store Day. This is the September 26th drop. This is stuff that I kind of was looking forward to myself. Stuff that I had planned on keeping. I figured since I was going to open it up, I might as well show it to you guys. Love the Ramones. I typically pick up every single one of their releases as they come out throughout Record Store Day. This is It's Alive 2, number 2, 8000. This is live at Victoria Hall on the 1977 UK tour. So double disc set. All this stuff can be purchased online at our website at theingroove.com, starting at 10 o'clock in the morning Arizona time, 1 o'clock Eastern time. The first couple hours we're open are for locals, but after that, anybody around the United States can make a purchase. $49 and above, we ship it to you for free. Pretty nice. Nice polylined inner. Gabba Gabba Hey, fourth side etching. A little bit dish warped there, but it should play fine. That's pretty typical when you buy a record that has an etching on this, on one of the sides. They tend to be a little bit dished, but no problem. Vinyl looks clean. I like the fact that they put a polyline inner. That side is nice and flat. But yeah, looking forward to this. The Ramones, It's Alive 2. Record Store Day, drop number 2, September 26th. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like the page, and until next time.